Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I am a huge fan of solar lighting, and this one from Yoolax solved a huge problem for me. I'm always forgetting to put my front porch lights on, and when I'm getting deliveries, I feel so bad because the poor delivery driver has to walk down my driveway in the dark. And if I've forgotten to put on my porch light, I can't imagine how scared they are walking up to a dark house with dogs barking. But this light has solved that problem for me. I hung it in this spot because it is right in front of my front porch steps and it has three great functions. This was so easy to install. It took me literally 40 seconds to hang on the wall, and it charges so well in the sunlight, and the motion sensor works so good. It really lit up this area and has solved that issue for me. So now I don't have to feel bad if I forgot to put my front lights on. So if you're looking for some great solar lighting that is going to solve problems for you and is hassle-free, then get this light from Yoolax. You will not be disappointed, and that is my point of view.